This is the brief on UAE home renovations. We're breaking down the real-world pros, cons, and practical fixes for upgrading your sanctuary in fast-paced markets like Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So you really want that high-tech smart kitchen, but you're probably wondering, is it actually worth the massive headache? First, remodeling isn't just about making things look pretty, it's a super strategic move. A top-tier upgrade seriously boosts your resale and rental value, all while letting you wire in some amazing energy-efficient smart home tech. Think of it literally like a major software update for your house. You're basically fixing daily bugs to make your whole routine run so much faster and smoother. Second, let's talk about the catch, because we all know renovations can totally fail. You're constantly fighting strict developer approvals, crazy community work hour limits, hidden costs, and honestly, contractors who just aren't transparent. Look, the UAE construction scene is absolutely huge. But bigger definitely doesn't mean easier, which is exactly why finding a crew that gets your vision is so tough. Finally, how do we actually fix this? Well, the guide points directly to specialists like Abdal Judah Technical Services. They were set up specifically to cut through all that local red tape, keeping your project totally on budget and on time, especially when installing that complex smart tech. You can actually just shoot them a WhatsApp message for a totally free quote at +971 50475 1324. Ultimately, leveling up your UAE home absolutely doesn't have to be a nightmare. You just need a transparent team to turn your modern vision into reality.